Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Runic Abyssal Shark in Fish It. The Runic Abyssal Shark has finally arrived in the latest Fish It update, and in here I'm going to show you the exact spot to catch this mythic fish, and also the road setup you need to catch this one. So first, since the shark is one of the new fish inside the lava basin expansion, of course you need to fish inside the lava basin, and I'm going to show you the exact spots you can get it. So for the location, I have two actually. My favorite spots, the first one is near this waterfall, and the second one is near the crafting place. This one I fish near these barrels, and for the roads I'm using the almond road with Singularity Bait. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the